Here's something most wellness coaches don't realize. Your bio is the first piece of copy a potential client reads about you. Before they see your content, before they check your prices, before they decide whether to follow, subscribe, or reach out. They read your bio in about 8 seconds, and they make a decision. And if your bio sounds like most coaching bios I've seen, it talks about you, your certifications, your journey, your methodology. Here's the problem. Your ideal client isn't looking for you. They're looking for a solution to their problem. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to write a bio that speaks directly to the person you help, works across every platform, Instagram, LinkedIn, your website, podcast, and makes the right people stop and say, this is exactly what I need. Let's get into it. Quick intro if you're new here. I'm Robert with the Wellness Coach Copy Vault, a done-for-you copywriting resource built specifically for health and wellness coaches. I've spent a lot of time studying what makes coaching copy work: ads, emails, sales pages, and yes, bios. And I've seen the same mistakes show up again and again across Instagram profiles, LinkedIn pages, and website about sections. Today, I want to fix the bio problem specifically because it's one of the highest leverage things you can change in your business. You write it once, it works for you 24 hours a day, and it's the first impression you make on anyone who finds you online. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear framework you can apply to every platform you're on. And I'll walk you through real before and after examples so you can see exactly what the difference looks like. Let me show you what a typical wellness coach bio looks like. I'm going to read you one, and I want you to notice how it makes you feel. Certified Holistic Health Coach, IN graduate, passionate about helping people live their best lives, mom of 3, coffee lover, DM me to work together. Now, nothing wrong with any of that individually, but read it again from the perspective of someone who's exhausted, struggling with their energy, wondering if a health coach can actually help them. Does that bio speak to their problem? Does it tell them what their life looks like after working with you? Does it give them a reason to reach out today? No, it describes you, it doesn't speak to them. And here's the thing. Most bios make this exact mistake. They list credentials, mention a personal detail or two, and end with a vague CTA. The result? The person scrolls on. Not because they didn't need help, but because nothing in that bio made them feel seen. Here's what we're going to build instead. I call this the 5-part client attraction bio formula. Let's go through each piece. Part 1, who you help. The very first thing your bio needs to do is tell your ideal client that this is for them. Not I help people, not I help women. Specific. I help burnt-out high-achieving women reclaim their energy. I help gut health clients finally feel at home in their bodies. I help new moms rebuild their strength after baby. One sentence. Specific person, specific situation. If someone reads that sentence and thinks, that's me, you've got them. Part 2, the transformation. Next, you describe where you take them, not what you do, where they end up. There's a big difference between, I offer personalized nutrition coaching and lifestyle support, so they can go from exhausted and overwhelmed to energized and in control without overhauling their entire life. The first describes your process. The second describes their future. Always lead with the future. Part 3, your credibility hook. This is where you earn the right to make that promise, but keep it tight. 1 line, max 2. It could be a certification, certified functional nutrition coach. It could be an outcome. I've helped 200 plus women do this. It could be a personal story. I went through this myself and found a way out. Pick the one that resonates most with your ideal client. Not the credential that sounds most impressive, the one that makes them trust you most. Part 4, the differentiator. This is the part most coaches skip entirely. And it's where you separate yourself from every other health coach in the feed. What makes your approach different? Not better, different. No restrictive diets, no cookie cutter plans. A science-backed approach that works with your hormones, not against them. Real food, real life, no clean eating guilt. One sentence that tells your ideal client why your way is the right way for them specifically. Part 5, the CTA. Every bio needs a single, clear call to action, not 2 options. Not DM me or visit my link. One thing. The mistake most coaches make here is being too vague. DM me to work together means nothing to someone who doesn't know you yet. Instead, give them something specific to do and a reason to do it now. Grab your free wellness copy pack below. Download the free guide, link below. Book your free clarity call, link in bio. 1 action, 1 link, 1 direction. Let me put the whole formula together with a before and after. Before, certified health coach, IN graduate, helping you live a healthier, happier life. Mom of 2, DM to chat. After, using the 5-part formula, I help burnt-out women in their 40s rebuild their energy and feel like themselves again, without crash diets or complicated protocols. Certified functional health coach, 200 plus clients transformed. My approach works with your body, not against it. Grab the free Wellness Copy Starter Pack below. Same coach, completely different impact. The first one describes her. The second one speaks directly to the person scrolling who is tired, overwhelmed, and wondering if anything can actually help. That's the difference between a bio that gets ignored and one that gets DMs. Now, you might be thinking, Robert, I'm on Instagram and LinkedIn, and I have a website. Do I have to write a completely different bio for each one? Not really, the 5 parts stay the same. You just adjust the length and tone. Instagram, 150 characters max. Lead with part 1 and part 2. Squeeze in 1 credibility line. 1 CTA with a link. LinkedIn headline, 220 characters. Lead with part 1 and your differentiator. Save the full story for your About section. Website About page, and this is where you get to expand. All 5 parts, plus your personal story, plus social proof. Give it room to breathe. Podcast guest bio, 3rd person. Same structure. Lead with who you help and the transformation, then your credibility. 1 formula, 4 formats. You write it once and adapt. If you're a wellness coach who's been staring at your bio wondering why it's not converting, I hope this gives you a clear path forward. The formula is simple. Who you help, the transformation, your credibility hook, your differentiator, and 1 clear CTA. That's it. Now, if you want to skip the blank page entirely, I've put together a free copy pack specifically for wellness coaches. It includes done-for-you templates you can customize in minutes, headlines, email openers, and more. The link is in the description below. It's free, no catch. And if you found this video useful, hit subscribe. I put out content like this regularly for wellness coaches who want to attract more clients without spending hours writing copy from scratch. I'll see you in the next one.